Sister's love story. Listen and practice. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived two sisters named Sarah and Emily. They were inseparable since childhood, sharing dreams and secrets beneath the shade of their favorite oak tree. Sarah, the older sister, was known for her wisdom and kindness, while Emily, the younger one, had an infectious spirit and a love for adventure. As the years passed, the sisters faced the trials of life together. Sarah supported Emily through her struggles at school, and Emily encouraged Sarah during her difficult times at work. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day. One summer, a tragedy struck their family when their parents fell ill. The sisters took on the responsibility of caring for them, proving that their love went beyond just being siblings. Sarah cooked nutritious meals, and Emily read stories to lift their parents' spirits. Years went by, and the sisters found their own paths in life. Sarah became a successful teacher, while Emily pursued her dream of becoming a travel writer. Despite their different careers, they remained close, celebrating each other's achievements and providing a shoulder to lean on during setbacks. One day, Emily received an offer for a dream assignment that required her to travel abroad for an extended period. Sarah, though heartbroken at the thought of being separated from her sister, knew how important this opportunity was for Emily. With tears in her eyes, she encouraged Emily to follow her passion and promised to support her from afar. During her travels, Emily sent postcards and called Sarah regularly, sharing her adventures and stories. Sarah, in return, continued to be the steady presence in her sister's life, offering advice and encouragement whenever needed. Years later, Emily returned home, having accomplished her dreams. She hugged her sister tightly, grateful for the unwavering love and support that Sarah had provided throughout her journey. Their bond was stronger than ever, a testament to the unbreakable sisterly love that had carried them through the years. In the end, the sisters proved that true love knows no bounds, transcending the roles of sisters to become lifelong friends and pillars of strength for each other.